Slip. Yo, what's good, gang? Welcome back to another freaking vlog, another banger. You know what? You already know what's cooking. I don't even got words to do the intro, bro. What the fuck going on right here? All right, welcome back to another vlog, bro. Today, I gotta explain behind the scenes what I've been doing these days. So, basically, bro, you saw the paint job on the car. You saw the pictures the homie took. I'm really happy with the results, but I still gotta polish the car. And since I fucked up the first time, I couldn't when I did the re-clear, because I sanded the whole car and then spread another layer of clear. And when I did that, I had to buy another gallon of clear and do another layer without the metal flakes. So basically, the car, if you in pictures you can't notice, but on person, the paint feels a little rough. So basically, yesterday I was trying to basically polish the car, and since I don't have that extra layer of clear, the metal flakes are going out with the sandpaper. I was doing 3000, and that shit was taking the metal flakes off, and the car is basically gonna change color. The metal flakes, instead of blue, they were turning white. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna resand the car one more time, the whole car, wet sand it, and we're gonna do one layer of clear with metal flakes and two layers of metal flakes with clear and 2 layers after the metal flake in the clear layer. So that's basically what we're gonna be working today. I think it's gonna be like a little series of 4 or 5 videos, because I'm not gonna be able to finish today. But on these next vlogs after this, it's gonna be how you do like a walkthrough and sanding the whole car one more time and doing it one more time. So I'm here with the homie Immortal. Y'all already know this whole about his user right here. This is the homie taking always the fire pictures of the crew. So we're gonna go buy sandpaper. We're gonna buy all the materials we need. And basically, let me explain one more time. Basically, we're gonna sand the whole car, and we're gonna respray it with a clear coat. And why? Because the car feels rough. I didn't follow the correct steps when I did the clear one more time. So let's do it. Third time is the charm. You already know, bro. We're on the daily. And I'm gonna try to finish this vlog today and upload the first step of what we're gonna do through the whole day. So I hope I finish recording this vlog today so I can do the edit and upload it tomorrow. So we're gonna head out to buy the sandpaper. You already know. Oh, another thing. Let me show you the new shirts. God damn. New shirts. Fuck. Go cop yours right now on the shop. Link right here. Alright, bro. Let's head out. Yo, we got the sandpaper. We just got out of the paint shop, bro. We're gonna do a little run to Walmart to get some stuff we need. And after that, we're going to the crib and we're gonna start sanding the car. So, I already know. Motherfucking Goldo behind the camera. Traffic is maniac because we don't got electricity in Puerto Rico. Bro. Fuck. What the hell? Yo, it's for real, bro. We don't got electricity, so we don't got traffic lights going on right now. Crazy, bro. Let's see what the day bring us, bro. Puerto Rico is a crazy ass place. Look at, bro, I'm telling you, bro, no one is stopping. Traffic is mad motherfucking dangerous right now. No cap. So we got everything we needed. We're now headed home and gonna start wet sanding the car with this Bro, this sun is cooking. And we're still without electricity on Puerto Rico. I don't know what is going on today, bro. Roads are hella crazy. Yo, let's get it, bro. Let's get home because, bro, these roads are crazy. I'm not gonna cap. Yo, we just got to the crib, and what I was explaining earlier, so I actually sanded the car on this little square you see over here. So basically, bro, what I was explaining to you is that I only did one clear coat with the metal flakes because I fucked up the first time. So basically, what the clear coat that I was using for the second time, it was what it was left from the first time. So I didn't apply another coat without flakes to protect the metal flakes. And when I was trying to polish the car, this is what is going on. The flakes are going out. So you can see color over here, it's like a bluish. Here's black. Here is polished. This is hella smooth. You see the difference? So basically, bro, it's my personal taste. I really wanna, you know what I'm saying, make the car look better. So we're gonna start sanding today. You already know, bro. This is the homie's car that we're gonna be working on the hood as well. You already know we're gonna be sanding this bit. Homie already put in work. So basically, bro, on this car, the homie's sanding the hood because he's gonna primer it. Because this is a new project car, so he's making it.
All this was like this.
So you can see the difference. And we're gonna primer all this and make the car look better and prep it for, you know what I'm saying, for future plans. Yo, gang, so we're gonna start sanding the car with in some parts I'm gonna use like a 1,500 because in some parts the clear is rough as hell. So in some parts I'm gonna use 2,500 and in some parts 1,500. So let's get it. I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls of me sanding every part of the car because I'm gonna do individual parts. So let's get it. Yes, sir. Update on the hood. This shit looking minty. After we finish sanding all this, we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna primer it and leave it on primer for future plans. Gordo. Cabrón, pero está muteado. Está muteado.
Future plans.
GD.
So basically we're using a 2000 for this part, because this part is not that rough already. We're not gonna sand the car and dig out the paint. It's just the little layer of clear that I did. We're taking that out. And when you feel, as soon as I feel the car smooth, I'm gonna stop sanding because I don't want to go through the paint. And I gotta do the whole process through the whole car. You know what I'm saying? You basically can't tell on camera, but you hear it. You see the whole difference? No texture at all. So we're gonna you see how we treat people around here? Sons, little break. Homie's doing good. Big ass difference. This shit was completely covered in, I mean, como tú ves, rust. It was completely rusted. My bad. I'm a little slow. It's almost 7 o'clock, so I've been sanding the Mirage. Thing is, literally, you can notice here my reflection and shit. We're just getting, yeah, this is smooth. The difference is way big, too big.
Yes, sir.
Yo, gang, it's the next day. Yesterday, bro, it got dark as always, bro. I gotta buy some lights to actually work and record at night. But so we actually did major of the driver's side, and we are sanding with the 1500 and a 2000 right now. I'm with the homie. Y'all remember yesterday we was working on I was helping the homie work on the hood of his Accord, and right now I'm riding with the homie. We're gonna buy black color spray to finish the hood and finish his front lip that he's gonna paint on black. We're actually was doing a shoot on the 420 Merc of the brand. You're gonna see a couple pictures on Instagram today as well. But today, bro, we're gonna finish working on his hood. We're gonna finish doing his lip, and we're gonna try to finish the car, sanding all the clear today. So let's see if we can manage to finish today. But this vlog is going up today, bro. So y'all already know, bro. Yesterday, like I said, I pretty much knocked out pretty much all the driver's side. When I get home, I'm gonna show you the car. But homie is buying something to drink real quick, and we're gonna go get that paint and pull up to the crib. So yes, sir. Yo, gang, so we got to the crib a couple, like 2 hours ago. Y'all remember the rusty ass hood? Our car looks completely different. Y le digo la palabra ahí.
It looks different. Turned out great.
Yes, sir. I already know. We actually sanded all the rust off, and we did a couple patches with primer to stop basically to prevent the rust to continue rusting the whole hood and go through the hood. So now he's sanding the lip, like I said earlier. We're gonna paint this black, and the Mirage, where this side is completely sanded. You can see fender is sanded, door is sanded, quarter panel is sanded. Now I'm taking care of the side skirt, but we got major progress. This probably tomorrow we're gonna finish sanding the whole car and we're gonna re-clear it. So I'm gonna drop a couple B-rolls and see y'all in a little bit. Yo, so basically, bro, we're taking care of all we didn't have like too much orange peel, so it's not like we don't gotta do like a big process sanding it. So it's basically until the surface remains smooth. So this is gonna be easy work.
VD.
Yo, so basically you saw, bro, driver's side is almost, I could say it's completely done. I just gotta finish the side skirt. But car on this side is hella smooth. Way different. I mean, yeah, bro. You can tell, bro. So basically, this vlog is gonna end up right here. But I'm trying to do a little. I'm basically, this vlog is to update you guys on the car and everything I've been doing these days. I stopped vlogging for a couple days, but from this vlog on, I'm gonna try to upload 5 videos every day. Just basically a mini series doing the little re-clear on the car. So from this vlog, we're supposed to have like a mini series after this, maybe 5, 6 videos. I'm not sure how many videos I'm gonna be able to record and how much time it's gonna take me to sand the whole car, but I don't think it's gonna be too much because it's just a little clear coat that I am sanding. Let me know. Another thing, we're gonna paint the homie's lip.
Almost the front of the car.
Before ending the vlog, a little Harry's on the homie's lip. I already know this is our shit. Let me spray a little bit of Harry's on this motherfucking lip.
Di algo ahí, Gaby. Pega un porco.
Homie bought this can, but I'm gonna stay with the rest. You already know, bro.
¿Tú cómo que quieres ir por ese risco, verdad?
Yo gang, it's the next day. This vlog is gonna end up right here. And bro, we're back to YouTube. I'm not gonna cap, bro. I kind of lost a little bit of motivation when I started resanding the car, just because, bro, it was so much hard work and I wanted to finish the car, to move it, and doing it again, it kind of got to me, you know what I'm saying? So I kind of got a little unmotivated these days. That's why you saw that I didn't post like in 10 days on YouTube, but we're back. Car, only a couple things are left to take the clear off and sand it. I was buying a little bit more of sandpaper to finish the car today. The homie that helped me with the clear coat the second time of the vlog, that's an old vlog when I was painting the car, he's gonna pull up today and get everything, the compressor, the paint gun. He's gonna get everything ready to re-clear the car. And like I said, bro, I was a little unmotivated just because, bro, we gotta sand the whole car again. But I'm almost done. I kind of got my motivation back. We're gonna do it the right way. We're gonna, this time, like I said earlier on the video, we're gonna do a clear coat with metal flakes, and then we're gonna do 2 more clear coats without the metal flakes, because we're trying to get that shiny, smooth finish, no texture on the clear or paint. So I'm happy as hell, because it's been like almost only 2 days, and the car is already almost completely sanded. So this is gonna be like, this is the first video. We're probably, I said earlier I was gonna do like a mini series, so this is probably gonna be like 3 videos or 4, maybe 5, I don't know. But I'm gonna try to post this mini series of working on the car constantly. So for example, I'm posting this video today. By, I don't know, bro, like in 2 days I should post the next vlog of prepping the car and throwing the clear on. So yeah, man, I'm back to it, back to the YouTube videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all those who show love and stay on the channel even though I stopped uploading for a couple days. I'm super happy, bro. I know this time is gonna be the like every, you know, you already know what people say, 3rd time is the charm, you know what I'm saying? So this time I hope this car gets a full makeover, you know what I'm saying? And I really want to go mob, bro. I want to go mob with the homies. So I'm hella excited of how the car's gonna come out the 3rd time. And right now I'm here waiting for the homie in a little park. But nothing, bro. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are amazing, bro. You guys, the support on the YouTube channel these past days, it's been like 10 days and I'm still getting comments and views from you guys. So super grateful. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, share the video with your friends, with Stan's homies. Bro, share the video even with your grandmother, you know what I'm saying? Maybe she likes Stan's cars, who knows? But nothing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.